Today we'll look into how to install PHP and the web servers here. So, what be web server or say server? When you look the name now, the word server. Like if you look this thing now, you see this word servers from inside. So, what be server? So, some people say they serve. You get me? So your computer now, like this my computer now fit be server. So we fit get hardware server, we still get software server. So it depend on the use case, you get me? And the thing will just dey serve something be say maybe say e store some kind information or package or resources, you understand? Then when you request for am, e go come give am to you. So for our case now, web server that one has to do like so you say this where e store some kind of web information, say web resources or project and all that. It fit be single project, it fit be multiple project. So when we request for am, you come give am back to us and based on HTTP protocol. So for our case now, like this one now, we wan make use of XAMPP here. So to install this XAMPP now, you just go to apache.friends. That is apachefriends.org. Okay, so apachefriends.org. You go fit download am from there. No mean say because I no put www mean say no, you get me. You just put am for your browser, you get go to apachefriends.org, then download, say /download. From there now, from there you go download XAMPP, which is this software now, this software XAMPP. So this one now, let me say you call dey install different things separately. Like this guy now, XAMPP now, you go just come with your MySQL, that is database and other this thing, then resources wey be say you go need to use dey write this PHP application. That is like wetin I dey wan try talk now. Okay, XAMPP. So this one na this thing, the software. So not be only this one sha, we still get others wey be say dey call WAMP. Which other one again? I don forget am again sef. Still get other one sha. We get XAMPP, we get WAMP, we get another one again. Don forget am. So like for this course now, we dey make use of XAMPP. So for this XAMPP now, e dey bundled, like everything dey inside. When we talk about MySQL, you see am now, like if you see the software you get now, you see now say manage servers, you get MySQL, you get Apache web server and the rest of them. So for like this one, I will get Apache server, we get NGS, that is NGX. Then we get Apache server. So for this case now, we dey make use of Apache server. You get me? So this XAMPP now come bundle everything. You bundle the Apache server, you bundle the MySQL, even probably say you just bundle the PHP, everything. So you don't need to come dey start to configure am one after the other. So then if you dey use like Mac now, you wan install PHP now. Like if you look this window now, put which PHP. So you say PHP no fast, so automatically I never get am install. Now you get me? You just use brew install PHP. That way now you just get PHP install. So maybe you might just type that which PHP now, so that we'll consider that PHP don dey install now. Okay, so you see now bin/which, okay, might say php-v to get the version when we say we get installed for our system. So PHP 8.3 now dey installed for our system currently. ZenNG by Zen Technology and all that. So that one for this case. Now if you just come now, just hit start. So our this thing, you can't start the guy now, you start to the run. So I fit hit here now, go to application, you can't launch am for the browser. Had it been say I never hit this start before I can't go, you see say maybe go tell us say nothing like that dey exist. And then now when you say you want us to create our PHP application, also our project, then maybe our web project and all that, 1 project, 2 project, 3 project. E get where be say e dey